is, at least myself and my wife, we have the whole parenting thing sewn up, I think. You know, we like to do a little bit of good cop, bad cop. So, for example, when my daughter Darren is very well behaved, you know, my wife Beth, she likes to do the whole positive reinforcement thing, and she praises her and praises her and praises her. And when Darren is bold, I like to beat her in the interrogation room. Or, you know, plant drugs on her. Things like that. But it is very interesting being a parent because you see that your children copy everything that you do. They copy the way that you drink out of a cup, the way that you chew your food, the way that you succumb to depression at the essential futility of existence. You know, they copy everything. And that does put something of a burden on your shoulders. You know, you have this question to answer. What am I going to teach my children? And when I considered that question, the first thing that came to mind for me was, you know, the nursery rhymes of my youth. And after a bit of reflection, I think I'm not going to teach my children those nursery rhymes because, you know, at best they're nonsensical, at worst they're a little bit dark. Like Ring Ring Rosie, what's that about? Does anyone know?
Black Plague.
Black Death, the plague, exactly right. And the rest are actually pretty much darker. I'll give you a few examples of what I'm talking about. There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. Clearly the government failed her. Do you remember that one about the guy who killed his brother with a pillow? Do you remember that one? Frere Shaka, Tornado! That was pretty scary. There's the one, Rockabye Baby on a treetop. Why didn't anyone call social services there? You know, it's dangerous stuff. What about the one, do you remember the one about the woolen-coated pimp who kept his bottom bitch on a short leash? Remember that one? And everywhere that Mary went. That's very clear. I hope the next two in the series are as good. Anyway, yeah, Georgie Porgy, Pudding and Pie, Chase the Girls, Made Them Cry. Either he is a stalker or a paedophile. You know, that's not good. That'd been nice. One of my co-stars from the gay porn industry. One more of those nursery rhymes, ladies and gentlemen. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. So here we have a crying baby, clearly in distress, and a mother who buys that baby a mockingbird, a diamond ring, a looking glass, a dog named Rover, a carton bull, a horse, another fucking cart, but not nappies or milk. So I won't teach these nursery rhymes to my children. I will, however, teach, you know, a few of the phrases and sayings, little nuggets of wisdom, the proverbs. But I'm going to make a few adjustments, a few personal corrections, a few improvements, if you will. So, for example, I'll teach my children that people who live in glass houses are stupid. And I will say to them, you know, if in doubt, every chance it's early onset Alzheimer's. And also, you know, when in Rome, go to the Colosseum, it's lovely. And I will not forget, if you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, you're an American.